Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm coming from Fort Myers. I'm at this beautiful community, Bonavie Cove, and I'm going to show you this beautiful model villa. Okay, this is the Largo Villa. It's a 2-bedroom plus flex, 2-bath, 2-car garage, and it has approximately 1,431 square feet. It's by Bonavie Homes over here in Fort Myers, okay? So let's take a tour. As you walk in, you see this beautiful 8-foot door. And you come into this beautiful open concept. Okay, let's start over here to our left. This is the den. Okay, you could use this as a den or you could use it as a flex room. When you walk around so you get to see it. It's very bright. It has these 2 windows right here. Very high ceilings with crown molding. Okay, let's keep walking this way. Here's the dining, the living, and the kitchen. But first we're going to stop by at this first bedroom up here in the front and the bathroom. Okay, let's look at the bedroom now. Also high ceilings, crown moldings. Very nice. It has a closet over here. And the closet goes through to the other side over here. Very nice wall-to-wall closet with sliders. Okay. So let me turn around here so you could visualize the room. I mean, it's a model, that's why you can see there's no doors. They removed the doors. So over here you do have the door in the bathroom. So here has a very nice bathroom. Granite countertops. Nice. And the tile. Look at the tile work all the way to the ceiling. Let's see if I can turn the light on. There we go. Turn the fan off. Oh, there we go. Very nice. Okay, we keep moving. Over here is your kitchen. And back there is your laundry room. Okay, let me walk through the kitchen first. As you can see, it has beautiful granite countertops. Stainless steel appliances. Nice high cabinets. As you can see, it's a nice kitchen because you got this island here that you can entertain. Over there's your living room, over here is your dining room. So, I mean, you can't miss nobody here if you have people coming to visit. And over here you have the pantry, very nice sized pantry. And back here, you got the laundry room. And this door here leads to a closet and the AC. So Lennox. Okay. Let me tell you a little bit about this villa here. This villa will not be available onto the next phase. All the currently phase they have now, it's already sold out. So the next phase will start in January. So if you're interested about this villa, just feel free to contact us and we'll talk to the builder and we'll put you on the list. So that way you could be on the top of the list, because this is not going to be available until January. They'll start building. So that's until they open the next phase. Okay. Let me stand over here so you can see an area shot. comment below what you think about it. I mean, I see the purpose for this kind of villa. It will be for somebody from up north that wants to spend their winters here, and it's a nice size. You know, the distribution is really nice, and check out the view of the lake. So I mean, for price, like it's gonna be done in January. Right now, I don't think they even have a price on it. They don't know how much they're gonna be selling for. So just contact us, and as soon as they come up with a price, we can also let you know how much they're gonna be, how much they're gonna cost. This is your beautiful master bedroom. Very nice, very high ceilings. Sorry about that, my camera went nuts. Okay, now we're gonna head to the master bathroom. Okay, as you walk in, you have a nice double sink, granite countertop, glass. The mirrors all the way to the top. Very nice. And over here to my right, you have your shower. It's very nice, like enclosure. And then over here, you got your toilet. Okay, and down here you have your walk-in closet. Check it out. Very big. Okay. Give you a shot over here of the living room again. And let's go outside to the Lanai. Here you got, they mounted a TV on the back there. That's pretty neat. And this is where most of the people spend their winters when they come to Florida. It's outside. During the winter, the weather is really good, so most of the people spend their time outside here. So here you have a very relaxing view of the lake, and very nice and breezy. Sorry about that. Okay. Well, we're going back in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below what you think. If you're ready for something like this in January, let me know. This is going to start being built in January. So if you want more information, the floor plan, or different, I could send you or the information of the builder so you could see the complete layout and everything. So feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. And I'll see you on the next video.